Welcome, today I'm with DOOGEE S95 Pro and I'll show you how to enable or disable Google Feed on this device. So in my case I got it activated in this function, so I'll show you how to turn it off. Just press for a while with your finger on the main screen, and here you'll see the home settings. So just here you will see the Show Google app, and now just tap on the switcher once to turn it off. Now we can check. As you can see, this option is turned off. Now if you wanna turn it on, just go back here to this home settings and tap on the switcher again. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.